Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best fit and fresh bento box on the market, a versatile lunch container designed for both adults and kids. If you're someone who values fresh, organized meals on the go, this might just be the perfect lunchbox for you. The Fit and Fresh Bento Box comes with two slim, clip-in ice packs that fit neatly under the lid, keeping your food cool and fresh throughout the day. Simply freeze these packs overnight, and they'll help maintain the right temperature for your salads, snacks, or any meal you pack inside. This feature makes it an excellent choice for work lunches, school, picnics, or even road trips. Measuring 9.5 inches long by 6 inches wide and 2.25 inches high, this bento box offers a compact yet spacious design that fits easily into backpacks, cooler bags, or purses. It's thoughtfully divided into 3 compartments, allowing you to separate your main course from sides or snacks, promoting portion control and healthy eating habits. Whether you're prepping meals ahead or packing a quick lunch, the compartments provide endless possibilities for balanced meals. Constructed from BPA-free plastic, this lunchbox is safe for adults and kids alike. It's not only reusable but also microwave and dishwasher safe, which means reheating your meals is hassle-free, and cleanup is a breeze. The leak-resistant design ensures that your food stays securely inside without any spills, making it perfect for carrying sauces, dressings, or moist items. The bento box is stackable, which is great for storage at home or organizing multiple lunches. Its clip-style closure keeps everything tightly sealed while on the move. Overall, this container combines practicality with durability, offering long-lasting use for busy, health-conscious individuals. In summary, the Fit and Fresh Bento Box offers convenience, versatility, and reliability in one stylish package. Whether you want to keep your lunch fresh with the included ice packs or enjoy the easy-to-clean and microwave-safe features, this bento box caters to a modern lifestyle. If you are looking for a reliable lunch solution that helps keep your meals fresh, organized, and ready to eat anytime, this Fit and Fresh Bento Box is an excellent option to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.